In this video, we will discuss about propositional logic. A proposition is the basic building block of logic. It is defined as a declarative sentence that is either true or false but not both. And for the same, we need to import the logic module from logic import star. And with star, we can import all the functions written in module logic. A logic module allows us to manipulate logic expressions using symbolic and boolean variables. And here I am creating propositional variables, that is p, q, r equals to vars. Here we will pass a list of string names as a propositional variable. And let's see what is p. P is an proposition. Q is an proposition. R is an preposition. And now let's take an propositional formula. Formula 1 equals to P or Q and not P implies Q. And now let's see what is formula 1. Formula 1. And here we can get our formula 1. We can also print the truth table of formula 1 using function formula 1 dot print underscore truth underscore table. And here we can see the result of all is true, that means it is a tautology. We can also check it with a function formula 1 dot is underscore tautology. And here it returns true. Now we will take the couple of formula 2 equals to P and Q implies R, and formula 3 equals to P implies Q implies R. And now we will print the truth table of formula 1, formula 2, and here we can see the truth table of formula 2. And now we will check the truth table of formula 3. And now here we can see the result of both the formulas are same. So we can check formula 2 equals to formula 3, and here it returns true. And now we can also draw the truth tables of some functions like p, or q dot print truth table. Here and of another function p and q dot print truth table. Here we can see the truth table of not p and p implies q print truth table, and we can also see the truth table of p is implied by q print truth table. We can also see the contradiction between p and not not p with is underscore contradiction function. And thanks for watching.